Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how we can create this animated UI card. I'll show you how this is working. So you see while I'm hovering on this card, this image is, the size of the image is increasing. So this is what we are going to do today. First of all, okay. So first of all, I'll be creating one card here. Okay. Add a fill to this one. Little bit I want the corner to be first of all I need to duplicate this frame also. Okay, and then I'm going to round the corner of this frame. Yeah, that's it. Okay, the height is 388 and width is 328. Just take this inside this card. This will be the space of the image here. Okay, that's it. Now I'll get this image here. Okay, now you need to put this image inside this frame. Okay, now put this inside this frame. That's it. Now I'm going to copy this card heading and little bit of text. Okay, and that's it. Now what I'm going to do is create a component and then add a variant of this one. Now you're going to hold on control key, and then when you will be hovering, the image will be there highlighting the image. Okay, so you're going to click on this image here. Okay, and click on K button. Okay, and then just scale it a little bit. That's it. Okay, now the prototype settings, what it will be not on click, it will be while hovering, and not instant, it will be smart animate. That's it. I'll remove this card outside. I'll show you this one, how this is working in the preview. Can you see? This is how it's working. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you got the concept how to make it, and let me know if you have got any doubt, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much.